This 5-minute solution will show you how to exit Steam Big Picture mode. It's very easy process to exit from Big Picture mode. All you have to need, just press ESC key on your keyboard and then you will get this Steam menu. Click here and click on Power and click on Exit Big Picture mode. And this is how we can exit Big Picture mode on Steam. And to disable Big Picture mode, click on this Steam menu and click on Settings. And here select Interface. And here you will get Start Steam in Big Picture mode option. Disable this option. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.